Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Grammar by Zoya Khan. Let's learn a new word today, and our today's word is idiosyncratic. Idiosyncratic is an adjective. उर्दू में इसे कहा जाता है अनोखा, गैर मामूली. English meaning having strange or unusual habits, ways of behaving or features. Let's see the example sentence now. I like her highly idiosyncratic style of painting. Alright, idiosyncratic कहा जाता है किसी ऐसे पर्सन को जो गैर मामूली हो, अनोखा हो, अजीब मिजाज वाला, ख़ास मिजाज वाला, चीज़ों को अपने हिसाब से करने वाला या अपने ख़ास तरीके से करने वाला, ऐसे पर्सन को कहा जाता है idiosyncratic. And all of us have our own idiosyncratic gestures, So your task is you have to use this word in your own sentences. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group for participating in our daily group activities, the number is mentioned in the slide and in the description box as well. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.